Stability is restored and Lachman is negative now. The knee is stabilized. This is right side ACL injury. You can see the right knee is unstable. This is Lachman positive test. Lachman positive test. Okay. So you can see this interior draw is positive. Interior draw is positive. So this is unstable right knee. Now we are going to reconstruct it. So posterior arm, the medial meniscus tear over here, and you can see here as well. And if you come down, this is complete ACL tear. You can see here, complete ACL tear. And in this section as well, this is the remnant of the ACL, complete ACL tear. This is ACL tear, PCL is buckling. So arthroscopic endobutton is passing through femoral tunnel. This is endobutton and it is passing through femoral tunnel arthroscopically. You can see this is femoral tunnel and now the button will pass through the femoral tunnel. So the button is slipping and anchoring is done. Now the newly reconstructed graft is coming through the tunnels and now the reconstruction has been done successfully arthroscopically. Thank you. You can see this. This is the PCL and cruciating with the ACL, with the reconstructed ACL graft coming from the previous remnant of the ACL. This is the remnant, so this is the coming newly reconstructed ACL graft. So you can see that now after ACL reconstruction, the stability is restored and Lachman is negative now. The knee is stabilized arthroscopically. Thank you.